Hey, hello again, Mike from Charles Mill Marina. That's what I'm excited to show you today. It's Starcraft's EX20R. It is 8.5 wide, it is 20 foot 10 inches long, and it comes in a very stylish wave blue color with gray interior. Why don't you come on board? So, first thing that's going to pop out to me with this layout is your dual captain seat here. Very easy to have a conversation. These motors are super quiet, so you can look at each other, talk, especially when it's just two people on board. This boat does seat 10 people very, very comfortably, so it's a great option for the whole family as well. We have rigged this boat with a Yamaha outboard, anywhere between 9.9 horsepower and a 115. We do have a stylish helm here, as well as a Bluetooth stereo system equipped as well. We have Starcraft's brand new, super sturdy table, doesn't rattle, doesn't make any noise, not going to spill your drinks on you, so a really good option. And the final feature that I'm excited about on this boat is the power Bimini. With the simple push of a button, that Bimini closes and opens for you without an issue. With every boat we sell here at Charles Mill Marina, it does come with a full mooring cover, in-state delivery and on-water lesson, and all the safety gear included. And we're also going to take care of your titling and registration needs here in-house. If this boat looks like it's the one for you, give us a call at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.